like men drink water. Woo! Look at that.
To the Francis YouTube channel.
Welcome to the Francis Family YouTube channel. Guys, it's mango season in Jamaica and I have all different type of mango right here with me, and I am going to make you jealous because I am going to eat them right in front of your face. Guys, over here, as you can see, we have East Indian mango, we have Julie mango, we have, what is this one again?
Number.
Huh?
Stringy.
This one is Stringy, and this one is number 11, and this one is Blackie mango. So guys, okay, I have my pot right here, so first I'm gonna start by eating the East Indian mango. Woo! Oh my god, this is delicious. A lot of juice. Oh my god. Get none me later. Like this is a lot of more spicy mango. This is so good. Tear it up. Guys, look in the pot. Look in the pot. Look at my juice. Look at the juice. Come in like man drink water. Oh my god. This is so good. This is so good. This is called East Indian mango. I can't finish it. That's an East Indian mango, big and juicy. Okay. Oh guys, we finish with this. Look at the seed. Juicy. Look how much juice. Look there. Itching at my teeth now. So next we are gonna try the Julie mango. Ooh, this look goody. Woo! Look at that. Oh my god. My belly all full. Tear of the Julie. Guys, my belly full. Mango can done in Jamaica. My belly. Okay guys, so I'm gonna move on to the other one, but this is so delicious. But they're really full here. So now I'm gonna try this stringy mango. mango. I don't want to get too much. So far, the Julie and the East Indian, very delicious. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish eating this one because we have 2 more to go, and this is the number 11. Number 11. Okay. Everybody in Jamaica talk about the number 11 mango, but it's really delicious. It reminds me when I was a little girl. I'm picking these kind of mangoes. As you taste it, oh my God. Look at the juice. Yeah. That is very full. So now I'm gonna try the Blackie mango. Oh my God, this is delicious. I love this one. And as you can see, guys, it's so delicious, so tasty, and the different taste is amazing. So I'm gonna clean up right now because the juice on my fingers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, stay tuned for so much more Jamaican vlogs. Today we are gonna head to the Blue Mountain where they're gonna give us a tour throughout Blue Mountain. So stay tuned for that video. Bye.